So I don't know if it's going to be worth the effort here, but I've actually got some various dealership training and like technical repair laser discs. I think about 25 of them. I think I picked these up at a estate sale a couple years ago, and this one is extra effort selling. And let's put it in and see what we got here.
It might look like an impossible situation, but a strong second effort can turn it around. In car sales, too, there are times when you have to deliver a come-from-behind performance to clinch the deal. Welcome to Extra Effort Selling. Now let's check the lineup for the competitors. Here's Jim Riley, 51 years old, playing deferred buyer. His present make is GM, and his buying cycle has been averaging 3 years. Here's Vicki Reed, 33 years old, playing price objector. Her present make's an import, and her buying cycle has been averaging 4 years. This is Steve Harrington, only 29, and already noted for seizing control of the sales conversation. His buying cycle is flexible, and his present make is an import, a very slippery prospect. Now, here's Greg McKay, 34 years old, playing GM salesperson, designated salesman of the month. He averages 14 units per month. He's been a pro 6 years.
Mr. Riley's office?
I'd like to speak to Mr. Riley, please.
Is he expecting your call?
I don't know. Is he in, please?
I'll have to check. Who should I say is calling?
Greg McKay. Hello, Mr. Riley.
Yes.
I'm Greg McKay at University Motors. I see that you're a regular service customer here and thought perhaps you might be in the market for a new car pretty soon.
Oh, I'm afraid not. I usually buy a new car every 3 years, but this time I'm going to wait until next year. The new cars are so expensive these days.
Mr. Riley, have you seen our new models? They have some pretty impressive features your old car doesn't have, and the fuel economy is better.
Well, I'm sure that's true, but I'm really...
It's got lots of room inside.
With me. I just want to...
Well, anyways, I don't know, I could get out the good equipment and make a good capture of this if people are really interested in looking at these.